Gusto mo bang manalo ng cash prize habang natututo? Join us in the search for 10 Readers of the Month. Ito ay isang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.
Thunderball, so me give it up, so me give it up, so me give it up to our girls. 5 million and 40 naughty shorty. Baby girl, I'm a girl. Thunderball say, well, woman, the way the time cool, I'm gonna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature to shelter you from the storm. Hold on, gotta get the right there.
Here are the symbols used. Less than sign. Equal sign. Greater than sign.
So me give it up, so me give it up, so me give it up to our girls.
Dahil natapos na natin ang number line, kailangan alam na natin kung alin ang mas maliit sa mas malaki o kapareho. Using the symbols less than, greater than, or equal sign. Dahil kailangan natin ang tulong ng the great equalist, kailangan i-explain niya kung ano-ano yung mga symbols na ating pag-aaralan. Greater than, less than, or equal sign. Upang lalo nating maintindihan, ito ang mga sumusunod na example. Two is less than 3. 3 is equal to 3. 30 is greater than 20. 11 is equal to 11. 4 is greater than 1. 21 is less than 30. 18 is less than 30. 100 is less than 200. Pakisulat ang mga sumusunod na symbols. 18 is less than 30. 19 is less than 20. 19 is less than 20. 14 is less than 22. 33 is equal to 33. 14 is less than 24. 23 is less than 24. 23 is greater than 20. 30 is equal to 30. 20 is less than 30. 19 is less than 29. 20 is greater than 3. Congratulations, kids! Ngayong marunong na kayong gumamit ng greater than, less than, or equal sign. Yayain nyo ang inyong mga kaibigan na mag-join sa IVFC. Ito ay libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.